guys, welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. I hope you guys are enjoying all the videos I have been putting out there for you guys this month of October. I have been having a blast just coming out with these videos for you guys, so I really want to thank to all of you that have been watching them. I've been receiving new followers. Thank you to my new followers. Welcome to my channel. And thank you for those that are not following me yet but are watching this video. Thank you for joining me and I hope you will become part of this awesome group. This is going to be one of my favorites because it's in the month of October, and as you can see, I'm wearing some jewelry here with little spiders and my bracelet. That should give you a little clue of what we might be creating today with this awesome box. Now let's talk a little bit about this box, okay? For those that are new and don't know what this is. Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription. There is two types of boxes right now. One is called the Boxycharm Premium. That one is a beauty box that is worth over $175 for only $35 a month. It's one of their bigger boxes. The one that I'm going to show you right now is the Boxycharm 2.0. This one has 5 beauty products and is worth over $125 for only $25 a month. And you get full-size items, skincare, makeup, you name it, all kinds of beauty products. This is a beauty box subscription that I totally recommend for anybody out there that loves makeup. For anybody out there that is a new makeup artist and is trying to build their professional makeup kit, and you know that can be a little bit pricey sometimes, so this is a good box to start with. So now let's begin and see what this spooky box has for us. This is the 2.0 box, as I said before, lovely box. And it usually comes with a little flyer like this. The theme usually on the front, but this time the theme comes inside, which is Boxy After Dark. One of the first products in here, which is the iconic London Prep Set Glow. So you can see right here, it's already glowing. This one right here retails for $29. The way you can use this product is by, you can spray it and use it as a primer before applying your foundation, or you can use it to set your makeup after your makeup is done. You can also use it throughout the day to give your face a little pick-me-up and just to add a little bit more of hydration and illumination. For this tutorial, you guys, I already prepped my face and did the base, the foundation, and the brow. So I'm gonna spray it on my face. It just smells clean, fresh, and I needed it. It's right there, you see it? It's like a nice soft illumination. So yes, I think so. It will be good. We're gonna use it also to finish setting our makeup when we are done. Sorry, I need to drink a little bit of coffee to continue. So good. All right, let's keep going. Okay, so this is the Hank & Henry. It's a mascara duo. So this one retails for $19. It's a vegan mascara. It's a dual mascara, which is amazing. One of the size, it is for your upper lashes, and the other one is a thin wand designed easily to add a mascara to your lower lashes. And this mascara is waterproof. I like waterproof. I'm assuming this is the bigger side. This is very thin. This is amazing. This is perfect. This is so gonna make me happy, I think. So that's item number 2. Item number 3 will be the Mellow. So we have it right here. It's a tinted brow gel. So this one retails for $16. This one is gonna help you to effortlessly tame and tint your brows. Lightweight, non-sticky, perfect to use over powder or pencil. I wish I had a lot of more brows so I could use it. If I open it, actually it's gonna be a waste of time for me because I really don't need it. So it may be in my other giveaways, so keep an eye on this one. If you guys want one Mellow tinted brow gel in the next giveaway box, let me know. Item number 4. For that one, we have the Hollywood and Vine Velvet Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. This one retails for $7. So I love eyeliners, you guys. It's the first time I hear about this brand. It's a pencil that you can sharpen, so it's pretty good because you get to sanitize this one every time that you sharpen. So awesome, I like it. It's a creamy formula that glides on smooth and adds drama to any desired look. So we're gonna be the judge of that because we're gonna put it to the test with our Halloween look that we're gonna create today. Let's open it first. It glides very good, so we're gonna give it a try. Oh, and item number 5, which is eyeshadow palette by Dose of Color. I got the Sassy Sienna colors. This one retails for $32. Not bad. Usually good eyeshadow palettes retail for that much or even more. So this one is a very good one. So this is cruelty free, paraben free, and talc free. Amazing. 3 of the things that I am looking for. I am learning myself about clean beauty because sometimes we're just putting things into our face and we don't know what we're putting on, so because we need to be aware of that. All right, so let's open it. I love the box already as it is. The color names are in the back of the box. Oh, they're also on back of the palette. I love the packaging. It's amazing, as you can see. The only bad thing about this is that when you touch it, fingerprints get all over the place. And the reason why they put the colors in the back is because they are not in the front. And it comes with a nice little tiny blending brush. And this is more like a smudger pencil brush on the other side, so this is so cool. I love 2-in-1 brushes, you guys. When I travel, I like everything that is double use and small. I like it. Thank you, Boxycharm. So let's give it a try. I like the feeling of it. Very silky, very smooth. Oh, so sassy is this color right here. Whoa, you see that? Super pigmented. Okay, the next one is called Bossy. Cool. The next one is Foxy, which is this kind of like light brown right there. I'm gonna put it right here, you guys, okay? And the next one is Brassy. And the last one is Stay Sassy. It's the color right here, the darkest one. Whoa, look at that. These colors are amazing, you guys. So we're gonna put them to work today. I am so excited. $25 a month for this subscription. It's amazing, and it's actually worth $103, and every single item here is great. I mean, I can't wait to give it a try. I'm going to create something spidey. That's what's in my mind. And I'm also gonna do something special on this side of the eye. So I'm only gonna work on beauty side over here, non-beauty over here. So without any further delay, let's begin our tutorial, shall we?
Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? I can see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know. Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? You know, I am you. I am you.
Well guys, this is the end. This is the final result of my Princess Spider makeup tutorial with my October Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Every single item was amazing. They performed the way I thought they were going to, and I'm very happy with this look. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, share the video, thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.